Guys, it's Christina from Derp Gear. I'm going to go over anti-spins and flowers in this video. I recommend watching the palm spin video first and then moving on to this. So what is an anti-spin? An anti-spin is essentially a palm spin with an extra circle going the opposite direction being made with your hand. So if I'm palm spinning this way, then I'm going to be moving the wand itself in the opposite direction, the circle this way. So wand's going this way, the hand circle's going this way. So palm spin, anti-spin. A flower is the complete opposite. A flower is a palm spin in one direction and the circle being made in the same direction, making little circles all the way around the big circle you're making. So palm spin this way, circle this way, flowers. So other variations, when we played with palm spins, we did a palm spin, drop the wand, right? So you can actually remove this hand holding the string for a palm spin completely for anti-spins and flowers, and just do the circle with your tethered hand, with your palm grip, with your finger loop, and long string too. So basically, I'm going to do a palm spin this way, and I'm going to move the wand this way, making an anti-spin. But I'm going to take this hand away. If it's easier for you at first, you can spin, drop, and then remove. You can keep this hand with this hand. Whatever's comfortable for you. I'll show you that with the flower too. Drop. Oh. So that's what happens. Your string gets in the way. Practice. So if you want to see it in flow, it's a really good move if you mess up to like get it set back upright. So basically, like, let's say you're flowing. Oops, I messed it up. Palm spin, anti-spin, grab it. And this is why you have two different colored end caps, so you can palm spin it upright easily and then right back into it.